Time to add these beauties to the barn. Made it out of the quarantine after dealing with egg. Let's raise the heat. Now they're good. Been way over a month. Gorgeous color contrast. These are the show tanks I had for the shows I do, but these I gotta get rid of. These are going into storage and get rid of that. So 125, 125. Just like that. They're in. I had to share these fish with you. These are the Cottle punctatus. This is Lake Tanganyika cichlid, smaller cichlid. This is as big as they get. They don't get very big, but they were living in that little plastic bin for almost 3 years. Since I moved from the old house, they've been in there. Now they have bred for me a couple times, not real prolifically. There was quite a bit of fish in these totes, as well as some rainbows and some flagfish, but I didn't have time to film them all for you. And I couldn't help myself, had to get some new fish as well. Got those new tanks. I had to put all this on a credit card, so I was like, screw it, let's go full in and get some new fish too, because I've been wanting these. These are the blushing tetras. You can see right through them, very vibrant. There's also some smaller candy cane tetras in there. You can see them with them. But these are gonna be a little something for me. I don't really have to worry about breeding, but I can just look at and enjoy. And I got goldfish breeding like crazy for me, but I couldn't help myself, because now I'm on the hunt for genetics, and this fish has the genetics that I was looking for. So I'm gonna put him in a project. Hopefully I can find him a mate. But absolutely love this goldfish. They've really grown on me. These are some fishes I really didn't expect to get. These are ghost sharks. So these are like the rainbow sharks, but then they have a mutation and they kept trying to play dead on me too. They're all fine now, but they got the white tail with the black, cool contrast. Really liked them. And last but not least, I've been wanting these for a while. They didn't have them in the tanks up front, but they did have some in the quarantine. As you can see, they're not looking too good, but I can bounce them back. I can put them in their natural environment, and they'll get back to normal. That's what I have been doing. They're still doing good, but I'm glad I was able to get them and can start working with them again, because I really love these guys. Now back to the tank builds. This is cool. All my Italian Val has turned red underneath all that pollen on top of the water. I got all these tubs out here, and over the winter there's been a couple cold spells and the green is gone. It's all red. So if anybody tries to sell you red Italian Val, well, it's the same as the other. Does look cool. Time to get the 125 started. Roughly about 4 or 5 gallon buckets. 1 done. And 2 done. Fighting the urge to put a rock pile in it. This might take a while. And so the new 125s really show what my water is like when it comes in through the well. Look at that. Looking cloudy, looking rough. Not the cleanest and clearest, but luckily, naturally, they will kind of start to clear out. I'll start them off with some beneficial bacteria, some mulch. Put a little Daphne in there, some plants. Just give it time. Get it while it's hot. Pearlweed back on the website. It's not gonna last long, never does. Slowly clearing up, getting some plants in. Now the hard part, what to put in there. So many choices. I think I decided on one of the 125s. Big school of them. These are Synodontis lucipennis. Don't be shy now. Beautiful fish. I also planted the other. It looks terrible right now, but that's about to go out Bacopa Carolina because it was just being eaten on. Plus it got towards the extent of as far as it could go because it grew up out of the water and then started dying back. I have noticed some plants do that after a long time. And in that tank, I think I'm gonna put the Trogutiids in there. Lucipennis will go into this one. And gave them a leaf. So I like those. Quick update on the new fish as well. You can see they're all doing good. They're in green water conditions, which is just absolutely great for fish. Very natural. See, they're all happy and healthy. Even those ghost sharks that were playing dead on me. I love the grouping though. How they always get together. I don't know why though, they act like they're always so hungry. Oh, silver tip tetras too. Forgot I got those. I didn't even show those to you guys. I think because they weren't looking very good, but man, they're looking good in here. That's the thing about these more natural tanks too, is the colors that'll come out on your fish. You can even see the white tail starting to get a little bit of color in it. Still a very unique shark. Just a little bit of sand, a little bit of plants. Got the heat turned up for them. Probably why they act like they're so hungry. Their metabolism's going fast. So also you can see here, my containers are gone. Those who have been following me know this used to be full of containers. So I am planning on doing another rack there. In the quarantine, might as well give you guys a quick update. Peeky poo. There's pretty much fish in all these tanks. I do still have some alani left over. I need to get these albino bristlenose sold. Hillstream loach is doing a lot better too. That boy been getting chunky. Got a leaf in there with them. They love that. That leaf litter really helps with their gut biome. Looks like they're all doing so much better. I don't know why my camera's turning blue, but there's another one back there. Oh, he gone. Another one down here. So they're doing good. They're still around. They're making it, looking better. Also got all kinds of random endlers. Beautiful colors on those. And patterns. White lace guppies, which those are on the website. Even the females, look how much color, pattern, and long fins the females have. They're all pretty much like that. Females are phenomenal, as well as the males, especially right under the light. Something I've been holding on to for a while now. I haven't really let you guys know about. The tiny little tiger teddies. They have been breeding out. Having babies here and there. So slow. Starting to get a population up. I haven't mentioned them yet because I know a lot of people are going to want them, and it's going to be a long time till I even let go of any of them. Probably a couple years. So they are a huge investment in time. And you know, a lot of people don't realize when it comes to breeding fish and certain lines and things, sometimes it takes enough time and a lot of time before you even get any money back. And that's if you keep them alive. Bunch of females. I gotta get these moved because they just keep breeding more. Ooh, look at that. Nice El Silverado in there. And in here I've got some rainbow tiger endlers, which they will be on the website too, vallisneria.com. More white laces. And these actually just have fire red shrimp in them right now. Some of the painted fire reds. And then these are the San Marcos by Barracudians, which I think I'm gonna put these outside. And I got another little tank with some random endlers, which I'll also sell these on the website too. And the trout goodeads are in. They got a lot more space. How cool is that? And you can see the other tank from the other side. See how leaf has settled. Starting to clear up. Should tuck the Pacopa in a little more. You can see how straggly it is. Just love seeing fish in bigger tanks. Oh. Lucipennis are out. Just cruising the tank. They like to hide in the... They really like to hide in these leaves, which I have been seeing new growth on the crypts, so that's always a good sign. See right in the middle there. See right in the middle there, that new leaf coming out. This means they're taken well. And we'll just give them time to marinate. And if you like this kind of stuff, check out the channel. We'll be doing all kinds of videos, updating you guys on what's going on. If you haven't seen some of the tours from other YouTubers that come over and other people really into the hobby, they have done videos as well. There's a lot going on here and have been learning a lot. Ready to share more of it with you guys. So if you want to help me pay off these tanks, also check out the website, aquariums.com. Appreciate y'all watching. Until next time, peace.